Hey my man Mel Gibson, thanks for coming by. How the hell are you, man?
Just winning. And hating juice, of course. Hey, you wouldn't happen to have any of that fragrant Sex Panther left over, would you? I was hoping on going out and picking up some chicks tonight.
No need, my man. I have a house fully stocked with the finest porn stars you would ever want to see. 100% tiger blood warriors. I have one in particular picked out for Big Mel. She specializes in shoving a 12-inch kielbasa down her throat.
Sounds fantastic. Wait, she's not a Hebrew, is she? If so, Big Mel don't screw you can take that to the proverbial Jewy bank.
No way, man, she's a galactic ninja that will blow your mind, man. She just turned 19, so I upgraded her from my farm league. By the way, did you happen to bring any blow with you?
You're faggot. Homo.
No, Mel. Cocaine. I don't feel like calling my dealer over here. I want a big pile of it too, Tony Montana style.
Sorry, no I don't. And don't you think that's a little much anyway?
No way, man. I have a disease. Bullshit. I cured it with my brain.
Back to the girl, Charlie. She sounds like my type. The type of girl that will just smile and blow me. I need a woman, not a fucking dysfunctional little girl.
It's gonna be a good night, Mel. I'm so tired of pretending like my life isn't just perfect and just winning every second, and I'm not just perfect and bitching and delivering the goods at every freaking turn. Oh, I forgot that's my heroin burning. Those good-for-nothing kids. I told them to take it off the flame when they saw it bubble. Well, their mom is Denise Richards, so I guess you can't expect them to comprehend something like bubbles. Winning.